Hi and hello. In this video, we are going to discuss about the basic terminologies that starts with the letter B and C. Okay. So first, bacteriostatic. So bacteriostatic is the substance or reagent or drug that prevents the growth of bacteria. Okay. These are the substance that prevents the bacterial growth. Okay. The further growth of the bacteria will get arrested. Okay. So stasis in the sense it is the state of inactivity. Okay. So these agents will prevent the growth of a bacteria, and these agents do not have the ability to kill or destroy the bacteria. They can only prevent the growth of bacteria. Okay. So next, bactericidal. Cidal in the sense it is a suffix we use to give for agents those kills the bacteria. Okay, the substance or agent or a drug that kills or destroys the bacteria can be called as bactericidal. Okay. So next, cardiology. Cardiology is a branch of science that deals with the study of structure and functions of heart, including its ailments. Ailments means diseases. Okay, so cardiology is the science in which we will be studying about the structure and function of a heart in relation towards diseases. Okay, so including angina pectoris, arrhythmias, hypertension, etc. will be studied under this cardiology. Okay, that is, we are going to study the structure of heart and its function along with its diseases. Okay. So next, cardiologist. Cardiologist means a specialist in heart diseases and its treatment. Okay, those persons who get specialization in heart diseases and its treatment can be called as cardiologist. Okay. Next, cathetic. Cathetic means the substance or reagent or a drug that increases the evacuation of a bowel. Okay, those agents that can increase the evacuation in the sense that increases the emptying of a bowel. Evacuation can be called as emptying. Okay, evacuation means emptying. Okay, those agents that fastens the bowel emptying can be called as cathetic. Okay, example will be our castor oil is a catheter. So next is a cavity. Okay, so cavity means a hollow space, that is a hole or a empty space in a solid can be called as cavity. Okay, the example for cavity is our nasal cavity and oral cavity. Okay, next to cancer. Cancer is an abnormal proliferation or multiplication of cells. Okay, that is the abnormal growth of a cell can be called as a cancer. Okay, in a particular organ. Okay, next, carcinoma. Carcinoma means a cancerous tumor or growth in epithelial tissues. Okay, so carcinoma is also a type of a cancer that arises in a epithelial tissues, that is the organs lined with epithelial tissues, like our stomach or uterus, etc. Okay. Next, carcinogen. Carcinogen means the substance or reagent or a drug that induces cancer. Okay, these agents has the capacity or ability to induce cancer. Okay, they can be called as carcinogen. Okay, next, cell. So cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. Okay, as we all know, cell or each and every organ of our body is made up of a simpler unit called cell. Okay. So next, coagulation. Coagulation means congealing of blood into clot. Okay, so congealing in the sense it is a phenomena of it is a phenomena in which a fluid will get changed into a solid. Okay, so here the fluid nature of a blood will be loosened. Okay, and the blood will be converted into a fibrin thread called as clot. Okay. Next, coagulant, the substance or reagent or a drug that causes coagulation. Okay, this coagulant or the substance that causes coagulation. Okay, coagulation means congealing of a blood. Okay. Next, cognition means awareness of a mind. Okay, so actually cognition is a collective term for the mental processes including thinking, learning, memory, language, attention, etc. Okay, so these terms can collectively called as cognition. Okay. So next, chronic means lasting for long time. Okay, that is we used to call as chronic diseases, right? So those diseases that cannot be cured suddenly, and it needs a treatment for a long time can be called as chronic diseases. Okay, it occurs for long time, it continues for long time. Okay. Next, cytotoxic. So cytotoxic in the sense site means cell. Okay, so toxic means the substance that can damage the cells can be called a cytotoxic agent. Okay, so any substance or reagent or drug that either kills or destroys a cell can be called as cytotoxic. Okay, the example for cytotoxic is all anti-cancer drugs. Okay, they are the example for cytotoxic because they destroys the abnormal cells that have been grown in a body, that are grown in a tissues. Okay, so they can be all anti-cancer drugs can be called as cytotoxic. Okay,